Don't download ClickUp Enterprise Project Hub app before watching this. Before you download ClickUp Enterprise Project Hub, here's a surprising truth most people miss. It's extremely powerful, but it can also be overwhelming if you're not ready. Many teams assume it's just another task manager, but at the enterprise level, ClickUp becomes a full-scale project and operations platform. First, understand your workflow. ClickUp Enterprise is designed for teams that have complex projects, multiple departments, and varying permission levels. Without a clear structure, your dashboards and lists can quickly turn into a confusing mess. Most people get this wrong. They start adding tasks without defining spaces, folders, and lists properly. Second, automation is a game changer, but it requires planning. You can automate recurring tasks, status updates, notifications, and task assignments, but only if you map your processes first. Teams that skip this step often end up with redundant or conflicting automations, which defeats the purpose. Third, ClickUp Enterprise gives you advanced reporting, goals, and portfolio management. But here's the catch: these features only work if your team consistently updates tasks and tracks time. Without accurate input, your dashboards are misleading, and decisions based on them can backfire. On the plus side, when set up correctly, ClickUp Enterprise can unify your project management, streamline collaboration, and increase team productivity by 30% or more. Integrations with Slack, Google Workspace, and other tools make it easy to centralize communication and reduce tool overload. So should you download it? Yes, if your business is ready to invest time in setup, define clear processes, and commit to consistent usage. If you only need simple task management, ClickUp's enterprise features may feel like overkill. If this helped you think twice before downloading, subscribe for more honest app reviews that save you time and money.